So, some of you might be unfamiliar with this environment that I'm in right now. This is my mom's house, my mom's new house, since we moved out of the old one, which the old one is actually the one that I filmed my first ever EAS alerts in.
Columbiana, Holmes and Tuscarawas.
And I've never really gotten a huge severe weather event while I've been up here. Now, that's typically a good thing because up here I don't have a solidified collection of weather radios. Usually it's me bringing a select few weather radios from my dad's house over. That's due to change soon. I am going to get a few weather radios for over here. But yesterday, as of the time that I'm filming this, was pretty hectic. As you can see here, the advisory light is on. Oh, the watch light is on my zone guard right now because the required weekly test just came through, which I will show at the end of the video. But yesterday, there was a lot that happened here. Speaking of watch lights, there were a few watches and, like most severe weather events, a lot of SVRs. Some alerts that came from Michigan.
This is an important message for the following county, Livingston, Michigan.
KC33 and WNG 647. And especially tornado warnings.
Weather spotters.
Including a tornado warning for my county, Lorain County, this county that I'm in right now. And also one for Summit County, which I'm not sure if it was Summit County as well, or just Cuyahoga County, but there was a TRC. There were a few tornadoes that did cause some damage. I'll probably show a few weather-related pictures of damage on screen, but there were a few tornado warnings for my county, well, my counties, and this is probably the most stressed out about weather I think I've probably ever been, honestly. Because I was in a situation where I knew there was a confirmed tornado that I thought was heading towards my county, well, my city specifically, was heading towards my county. And there was nothing that I could do about it other than call my brother and get him to warn my parents, which, that's not a fun thing. And if anyone was hurt or killed in any of the storms that hit yesterday, then my condolences go out to all of you. I'm not sure if any injuries or fatalities were caused. But yeah. Also, the watch light just turned off on my zone guard. But, yeah. So, I guess without further ado, there's nothing much else to really say here. So, let's get to all of the alerts. Okay. Okay.
Is it Tornado Watch number 604?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Mine's still updating, man.
Okay, here, let me turn the
I'm just gonna
volume.
go to IEM, but...
I'm gonna turn the weather broadcast on. Oh, here we go.
Urgent weather message. For the following counties in Ohio: Ottawa, Sandusky, Seneca and Wood, and Reno Beach to the islands. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 604, effective until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Ottawa, Sandusky, Seneca and Wood, and Reno Beach to the islands.
Okay, well, they did not.
Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 604 has been issued until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ottawa, Sandusky, Seneca and Wood, and Reno Beach to the islands. The following lakeshore observations were taken at 7 a.m. Winds until...
Alright, Tornado Watch 604 for... Let's see, for Ottawa, Sandusky, Seneca, Wood, okay.
Northwestern Ohio until 10:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:43 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Greenlawn, or 9 miles south of Coldwater, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Storm spotters also reported a funnel cloud near Cinderwood of Branch County, Michigan. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Greenlawn around 9:50 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations affected by this tornadic thunderstorm include Camden, Kinderhook, Columbia, York, Montgomery, Clear Lake, Ray, California, Coldwater Lake, and Lake of the Woods. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 356 and 357. Interstate 69 in Michigan between mile markers 1 and 6. Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 142 and 156. This is an important message for the following county: Livingston, Michigan. What minor flooding is forecast? Where? Huron River near Taylor. When? From this morning until further notice.
KC63 is towing the flood warning.
Tuesday, the stage was 7.0 feet. Forecast: the river is expected to rise above flood stage this afternoon, continue rising to a crest of 7.4 feet early Saturday morning. Flood stage is 7.0 feet. Impact: at 7.0 feet, flood stage water begins to reach foundations and crawl spaces of many homes along the river and or lake. At 7.5 feet, flooding of houses and yards increased considerably. http://www.weather.gov/
happening now?
Tornado watch! Tornado watch!
Weather message. For the following counties in Ohio, with beyond 5 miles from shore. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorms including Lake Erie beyond 5 miles from shore. The National
Tornado watch! Tornado watch number 605.
Marine in Ohio, Ashland, Cuyahoga, Erie, Huron, Marine, and Monterey, and the following marine locations: Vermilion to Willowwood, including Lake Erie beyond 5 miles from shore. Remember, severe thunderstorm large hail and conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to your weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight
Severe
Time for the
thunderstorm
following
watch number 605 has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Ashland, Cuyahoga, Erie, Huron, Marine, and Monterey, and the following marine locations: Vermilion to Willowwood, including Lake Erie beyond 5 miles from shore.
at 11 a.m. Weather reports for selected cities at Cleveland Hopkins Airport.
Tornado watch number 60, what did I say? 604, 605. Hold on. Look at all those fucking counties. Dude, that came out of fucking nowhere.
Boundary has settled just south of the lake.
85. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 86 at Mansfield, 87 at Dayton, and 88 at Columbus.
Oh, tornado watch number 605.
Get to level 32. Make sure you're filling up.
73 at Toledo. Thunder was reported.
Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for initial waters from Reno Beach, Ohio to Geneva on the Lake Ohio. Open waters from Reno Beach, Ohio to Geneva on the Lake Ohio until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 34 nautical miles southeast of Algonic to 6 nautical miles north of Kelly's Island, moving southeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Radar. Source, radar. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Impacted include Marine Harbor, Western Vermilion, Kelly's Island, Cleveland, and Vermilion. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northwestern Ohio and the adjacent waters of Lake Erie. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio.
That was unexpected.
Cleveland has issued a
Tornado warning for
Southern Wood County in
Wood and
northwestern
Hancock.
Ohio, Northern Hancock County in northwestern Ohio until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing a tornado were located along a line extending from near Bowling Green to near Deshler, moving east at 30 miles per hour. There is one area of rotation near Portage, with the second area of rotation near Custar. Both are moving east-southeast. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation.
Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near North Baltimore around 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these tornadic storms include Bradner, Wayne, Signet, Hoytville, Bairdstown, Bloomdale, Risington, Cherry City, West Millgrove, and Portage. The forecast for the central Lakeshore counties. Severe thunderstorm watch 605.
Alright, tornado warning for Wood and Hancock.
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Seneca County in northwestern Ohio, Sandusky County in northwestern Ohio, southern Wood County in northwestern Ohio, northern Hancock County in northwestern Ohio, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Juddsonburg to 6 miles southeast of Bowling Green to near Deschler, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Findlay, Tiffin, Fremont, Fostoria, Bellevue, Clyde, North Baltimore, Juddsonburg, Macomb, Green Springs, Bloomville, Arcadia, Van Buren, New Regal, Loville, Pemberville, Bradner, Attica, Wayne, and Bloomdale. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in the sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northwestern Ohio. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Hancock, Sandusky, Seneca, and Wood. The urgent weather message for the following counties.
SVR for Erie and Huron.
Tonight, showers with thunderstorms likely early, then a slight change. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Huron County, Erie County, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 14 miles north of 8 Lake near western Bellevue to near Bellevue, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. There were multiple reports of estimated gusts to 60 miles per hour in Sandusky. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Sandusky, Norwalk, Western Vermilion, Bellevue, Willard, New London, Plymouth, Northern Milan, Wakeman, Castalia, Greenwich, Monroeville, Berlin Heights, North Fairfield, Louisville, Sandusky South, Birmingham, and Fairview Lanes. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northwestern Ohio. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Erie, and Huron. forecast for the central lakeshore counties. Severe thunderstorm watch 605 in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening.
Okay.
Beach has statement
SVR for Erie, you're on.
Tonight, showers with thunderstorms likely early.
Ow.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, northern Lorain County until 4:30.
That's for me. That's for my county.
3:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 32 miles northwest
Lakeline to 12 miles north of Avon Lake to western Vermilion, moving southeast at 60 miles per hour.
Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Intact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings.
Locations impacted include Cleveland, Lorain, Elyria, Vermilion, Parma, Lakewood, Euclid, Cleveland Heights, Strongsville, Westlake, North Royalton, North Ridgeville, Solon, Avon Lake, Warrensville Heights, Amherst, Grafton, Highland Hills, North Olmsted, and Garfield Heights. Remain alert for a possible tornado.
Ah, fuck.
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in the sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Cuyahoga, and Lorain. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in
Fuck, dude, I gotta get my dog inside. Warning for my county! Tornado warning for my county! Tornado warning for my county!
The urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio, Cuyahoga, and Lorain. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Cuyahoga County and northeastern Ohio, northeastern Lorain County.
Don't get the hell in shelter if you're in
Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Avon Lake, 14 miles northeast of Lorain, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard,
I'm happy my stepdad might be.
source, radar indicated location.
Okay, so you're not in it?
Impact. Further debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be transported shortly. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur.
Wait, hang on.
Damage is likely.
Solid, you're not directly under this, right?
Around 3:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Cleveland and Lakewood around 3:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. South around 4:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. North Royalton around 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the tornadic thunderstorm include North Olmsted, Parma Heights, Lindale, Brooklyn Heights, Seven Hills, Rocky River, Brook Park,
That's what this is, man.
and
More
Cuyahoga
daytime
Heights.
shooting right now. I'm getting more daytime reading.
The forecast for the central lakeshore
Alright,
counties.
solid.
Severe thunderstorm watch 605 in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. Hazard statement in effect. Wednesday night. Showers with thunderstorms.
So you said you aren't under it directly?
Thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds and large hail early. Some thunderstorms may produce damaging winds and large hail this evening. Humid lows in the mid-60s. Winds 15 to 20 miles per hour. Rain at 1%. Wednesday, partly cloudy in the morning. Very uncertain. Breezy with highs in the upper 60s. Northeast winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts of 75 miles per hour. Wednesday, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-60s.
There's a tape this morning of all your average touchdown. Here, I'm texting my friend right now.
Humid with highs in the lower 80s. Chemical explosives on radar. National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Sandy County in northwestern Ohio, Sandy County in northwestern Ohio, Southwest County in northwestern Ohio,
Hey guys, we might have confirmation on radar that there is a
Guys. 70 miles per hour in gusts and oversized hail.
Can you hear me?
Yes. I can hear everything.
That's
68%, I'll take it.
back again.
Oh my fucking god.
oh, he can't hear me.
I can hear DT safety. DT's SVR. Oh my god.
Wood, 70 miles an hour.
That was fucking terrible.
There's a bit of a hook on radar. There's a bit of a hook on radar. off again. Tornadoes are going off again.
Oh, look, I came inside.
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Ohio.
Just gonna fucking give you one of this.
Until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the Wabash Station. Severe winds from northwest northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard at 60 miles per hour.
Guys, alright. You think, guys, you know, Stalin right now, right? You guys know Stalin right now, right? I'm next. I'm next in the line.
For your protection,
You're in, you're on.
Strong winds will occur with heavy rain and thunder. Do not wait until you hear thunder to take shelter. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time on the following counties in Ohio. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm alarms. Locations at Cactus Lake, Cleveland, Marine, Elyria, Brazilian, Lakewood,
Weather predictions center is
What the fuck?
North River,
What?
North Ridgeville, Sloan, East Lake, Warrensville, Highland Hills,
Why are the sirens going off again in Warren County?
alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spawn a tornado, go.
Hang on, where are those sirens going off at?
Does anyone in here? Please tell me I still have a tape.
Hello?
Hey, yeah, oh yeah, I still do have a tape on hand. Guys, do I
Oh, guys, enhanced, stay one enhanced.
You outlaw.
What? I've been doing fight.
Severe thunderstorm warning for
Shit, guys, we might have another weapon expected.
Oh no, I'm still in enhanced. I'm still in enhanced.
Condom expired.
Guys, I'm screwed. I am actually
Come on.
screwed.
Is that Warren County going off, or is that Cuyahoga?
I think that's Cuyahoga.
Now look over the waters right now at velocity. It looks really bad. There's a significant water spot on the waters right
Hold
now.
on. Where are those sirens going off at?
How's everything? Oh my
Hang
fucking.
on. Sirens are going off in Warren. They don't need to be now. There's no longer a tornado warning for Warren.
Dude, check this out.
Why?
Strong winds will occur with heavy rain and thunder. Wait until you hear thunder to take shelter.
I looked at that.
Severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 Eastern Daylight Time on the following counties in Ohio. Elyria and Montana may result in flooding of rivers and marine forecasting. Another following marine location.
Wait,
Heavy rain and lower because Eastern Daylight Time. Also, advisory in effect through Wednesday evening. This afternoon, 10 to 15, becoming northeast 50 to 20
I'm still in enhanced. And Oakland County's still in enhanced. Columbia is under another enhanced. Columbia is still under enhanced. I'm still under enhanced too.
Thunderstorms likely in the evening. Showers and thunderstorms overnight. Waves 3 to 6 feet building to 4 to 7 feet. Waves occasionally around 9 feet.
I see you crop. Come on,
Where?
Seneca, Wyandotte, and Sandusky.
Seneca in a bunch of counties.
Shit!
Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Seneca County in northwestern Ohio, northern Wyandot County in northwestern Ohio, southeastern Sandusky County in northwestern Ohio, northern Crawford County, and Scott County in northwestern Ohio until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
This is a brain problem.
WIT, stop cutting out!
We're doing it.
Eastern Daylight Time for northwestern Ohio. Repeating, severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Caroline, Crawford, Hancock, Wilkins, and Roy. The understorm rain forecast.
The rest for damaging tornadoes continues.
Push reporting wrong.
Okay, so what they did is also upgrade the outlook in South and North and South Carolina, near the Wilmington area. So they now have a 5% tornado risk. Actually, no, I think they just had 5%.
Got it.
Continuous tornado warning for Cuyahoga.
I just ran my siren. My city doesn't have an active one.
Okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
You know something? That line's coming towards me. But
I know.
for me right now, it's completely sunny.
1 second.
Going. For me, it's completely sunny out.
Yeah, it's not completely sunny out for me.
Hour and 30 minutes on that one.
Yeah, I just set my Model L, my siren off for two.
Oh, so that's the sound we were hearing.
Yeah.
I was wondering what that was.
Yeah, I
hearing
don't.
a siren in the background. I was
Yeah,
like,
my city doesn't have a siren. Well, they have one, but it's not active. Shit, that's my other county. That's where my dad lives. Shit.
Moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour over gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. Urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio, Cuyahoga, and Summit. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, northern Summit County in northeastern Ohio, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a tornado-producing storm was located over Parma, 7 miles south of Cleveland, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar-confirmed tornado. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic storm will be near Macedonia around 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Hudson and Twinsburg around 4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. streets Pearl around 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Glenville, Independence, Valley View, Brooklyn Heights, Seven Hills, Newburgh Heights, Cuyahoga Heights, Walton Hills, Broadview Heights, and Garfield Heights. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Richland County, Ashland County, southern Wyandotte County in northwestern Ohio, southern Crawford County, Wayne County in northeastern Ohio, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northwest of Chippewa Lake to Plymouth near Upper Sandusky, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Worcester, Ashland, Bucyrus, Upper Sandusky, Galion, Shelby, Orville, Richmond, Ontario, Lexington, Crestline, Doylestown, Loudonville, Creston, Belleville, Plymouth, Dalton, Shreve, and West Salem. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Crawford, Richland, Wayne, and Wyandotte. An urgent weather message for the following county: Cuyahoga, Ohio. A tornado warning remains in effect until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for South Central Cuyahoga County. At 4:11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located over Parma or near Cleveland.
Shit, it's confirmed!
35 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged.
Oh my god, it's a fucking TRC.
Damage
It's a
roofs,
TRC.
windows,
Shit.
and vehicles will occur.
Oh my god, okay, I'm texting my brother right now. I did not see that it was a
Be
TRC.
near Cleveland, Parma, and North Royalton around 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the tornadic thunderstorm include Newburgh Heights, Cuyahoga Heights, Parma Heights, Brooklyn Heights.
I am too!
Middleburg Heights, Broadview Heights.
I feel like my fucking family.
Urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Geauga, and Lake. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Geauga County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, southwestern Lake County in northeastern Ohio, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located near Euclid, or 8 miles west of Willowick, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Cleveland, Euclid, and Cleveland Heights around 4:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Chesterland around 4:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Wade Hill, Bradnell, Richmond Heights, North Randall, Moreland Hills, Warrensville Hay, Shaker Heights, Bentleyville, Orange, and Highland Heights. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in NOAA Weather Radio severe thunderstorm warning for Richland County, Ashland County, southern Wyandotte County in northwestern Ohio, southern Crawford County, Wayne County.
New SVR, new SVR.
Severe thunder. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Montana County in northeastern Ohio, northern Ashland County, southern Lorraine County, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:28 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near London, or 10 miles south North Fairfield, Burbank, Rochester, and Nova. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northwestern Ohio. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Huron, Lorraine, and Modena. This is NOAA Weather Radio KHB 97 originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Cleveland. We supply the latest available information for North Central Ohio over station KHB 97 from Bellevue on a frequency of 162.400 megahertz. The forecast for the Central Lakeshore counties. Severe thunderstorm.
2,000 volts. The Northern Ohio complex is poised over threat from heavily overturned air mass
Oh shit, dude.
from next to
County in northeastern Ohio until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located over Solon, or 14 miles southeast of Cleveland, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles. These dangerous storms will be near Garrettsville around 4:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Parkman, Aurora, Bainbridge, and Hiram. An urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, hazard.
I didn't know I was able to get KHB 59 still.
Northwest of Chippewa to Plymouth near Upper Sandusky, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Counties, including the following locations: Bedford Heights, where radar indicators, in Bedford, Walton Hills, and Aurora. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lawrenceville Heights, or near Cleveland, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: trained weather spotters. Damaging winds are continuing behind the main line of thunderstorms. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Parma, Lakewood, Euclid, Cleveland Heights, Strongsville, North Royalton, Solon, Warrensville Heights, South Russell, Highland Hills, Garfield Heights, Shaker Heights, Maple Heights, South Euclid, Parma Heights, Broadview Heights, Wood Park, Mayfield Heights, East Cleveland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Cuyahoga, Ohio. The forecast for north central Ohio. Severe thunderstorm, North Fairfield, Burbank, Rochester, Eastern Daylight Time this evening. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Impacts: minor flooding in low-lying and poor.
Marine warning!
Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for near shore and open waters from Vermilion, Ohio to Conneaut, Ohio until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A strong thunderstorm was located near on the lake, moving east at 59. Strong winds are continuing for a period of time behind the main line of thunderstorms. Wind gusts to 40 knots. Source: radar. Impact: some craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Geneva on the Lake, Ashtabula, and Cleveland. Flood advisory in effect until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where? Portions of North. An urgent weather message. For the following counties in Ohio: Ottawa, Sandusky, Seneca, and Wood. Tornado watch number 604 has been canceled for the following counties in Ohio: Ottawa, Sandusky, Seneca, and Wood. Repeating, the tornado watch number 604 has been canceled for the following counties in Ohio: Ottawa, Sandusky, Seneca, and Wood. The urgent weather message. For the following marine location: Reno Beach to the islands. Tornado watch number 604 has been canceled for the following marine location: Reno Beach to the islands. Repeating, the tornado watch number 604 has been canceled for the following marine location: Reno Beach to the islands. Flood advisory in effect until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall. Where? Portions of north central and northwest Ohio, including in north central Ohio, Crawford. In
There we go.
northwest Ohio, Hancock, Seneca, and Wayne, 7 feet. Waves between
I'm an SGR.
Waves 4 to 7 feet subsiding to 3 to 6 feet. Waves acute and diminishing to 10 to 15 knots. Forecast. For the following 25 degrees.
Shit, KHB-59 might be down.
Cleveland has issued a severe thunder.
The fuck?
Southeastern Wyandotte County in northwestern Ohio, Morrow County, southern Crawford County, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunder. thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bucyrus to near Marseille, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Marion, Bucyrus, Mount Gilead, Galleon, Crest Line, Cardington, Ashley, Prospect, Leibrew, Morrill, Waldo, Chesterville, Sparta, Marseille, Caledonia, New Bloomington, Edison, Greencamp, Berlingo, and Fulton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Crawford, Marion, Morrow, and Wyandotte. This is NOAA Weather Radio KHB 97 originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Cleveland. We supply the latest available information for North Central Ohio over station KHB 97 from Bellevue on a frequency of 162.400 megahertz. The forecast in the lower 80s. Rain 30%. Thunderstorm on Friday night. Partly cloudy. 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And relative humidity was the latest available information for North Central Ohio over station KHB 97 from Bellevue on a frequency of 162.400 megahertz. Cleveland Hopkins Airport. On the latest weather. The temperature was 72 degrees, dew point 63, and relative humidity was 73%. The wind was northeast at 7 miles an hour. This is a test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm for the KHB 97 listening area for the central lakeshore counties of Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, special bill receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. The area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the latest weather service weather radio warning alarm. Will linger through tonight. A weak cold front will move east on Friday. Remnants of Hurricane Debbie will track to the east of the area.